If you're planning a kitchen or bathroom remodel in 2025, pause before you pick your countertops. Because some of the most popular choices from the last decade are officially on their way out. What once felt luxurious and trendy, like busy granite patterns, super glossy finishes, and bold statement colors, now looks dated and hard to maintain. Designers are shifting toward warmer neutrals, natural textures, and practical finishes that create a timeless, inviting space. In this video, we'll reveal 5 countertop trends that are fading fast and show you the beautiful, future-proof alternatives that will keep your kitchen or bathroom looking fresh for years to come. So, before you spend thousands on a surface that might feel old-fashioned next year, let's explore what's out and what's in for 2025 countertops. 1. Overly busy granite patterns, subtle veined quartz. For years, kitchens and bathrooms around the world proudly showcased busy granite countertops filled with bold speckles, dramatic swirls, and glittering flecks. They were the ultimate status symbol in the early 2000s and even well into the 2010s. But in 2025, those heavily patterned slabs are starting to feel a bit too much. The combination of multiple colors, harsh contrasts, and eye-catching patterns can make a room feel cluttered and chaotic, especially in smaller kitchens or bathrooms where every inch of counter space stands out. Designers now see these countertops as overwhelming, distracting from the overall style of the room rather than complementing it. The fresh alternative. The new favorite is subtle veined quartz, and for good reason. Quartz offers all the elegance of natural stone without the maintenance headaches. Instead of busy, speckled patterns, today's quartz countertops feature soft, delicate veining that mimics high-end marble, creating a smooth, calming backdrop for the rest of the space. Shades of warm white, creamy taupe, or misty gray brighten up kitchens and bathrooms, making them feel bigger, lighter, and more welcoming. Quartz is also non-porous, meaning it doesn't need sealing and is resistant to stains, scratches, and bacteria. This combination of beauty and practicality makes it a perfect choice for busy families or anyone who wants timeless style with minimal upkeep. Whether paired with modern cabinets or classic wood tones, subtle veined quartz creates a clean, sophisticated look that will stay fresh well beyond 2025. 2. High-gloss finishes, matte and honed surfaces. A few years ago, high-gloss countertops were the ultimate sign of luxury. That reflective, polished surface promised a sleek, high-end vibe that looks stunning in photos and showroom displays. But anyone who has actually lived with glossy counters knows the truth. They show everything. Fingerprints, water spots, crumbs, and even the smallest scratches become instantly visible, turning daily cleaning into a constant chore. On top of that, the ultra-shiny look can feel cold and sterile, bouncing harsh light around the room and clashing with today's trend toward warmer, more inviting interiors. The new favorite, enter matte and honed finishes, the heroes of modern countertop design. Instead of reflecting every light source, these finishes have a soft, velvety texture that adds warmth and depth to any space. A honed marble or matte quartz surface hides smudges and imperfections far better than polished stone, making it perfect for busy kitchens and bathrooms. Beyond practicality, matte and honed finishes bring an organic, natural feel that pairs beautifully with wood accents, textured backsplashes, and earthy decor. Whether you're designing a minimalist modern kitchen or a cozy farmhouse-style space, a matte countertop creates a balanced, calming atmosphere while still feeling upscale and stylish. It's the perfect example of a trend that combines good looks with everyday livability. 3. Bold color countertops, warm, earthy tones. There was a time when bold countertop colors, deep reds, emerald greens, cobalt blues, and even jet blacks, were considered a daring design statement. They promised personality and drama, but in reality, they often became too overpowering and difficult to style. A bright or very dark countertop can dictate the entire room's color scheme, leaving little room to update cabinets, backsplashes, or decor without a costly full renovation. By 2025, homeowners and designers alike are stepping away from these strong, flashy shades in favor of something far more versatile and welcoming. The fresh alternative, warm, earthy neutrals are taking center stage. Think soft beiges, creamy whites, sandy taupes, gentle grays, and natural stone-inspired browns. These hues create a soothing, timeless backdrop that works with almost any cabinet color or wall paint. They also reflect light beautifully, making kitchens and bathrooms feel brighter and more open. Whether you prefer a modern, Scandinavian-inspired space or a cozy rustic vibe, these understated tones make it easy to layer textures, like wood, metal, or tile, without worrying about color clashes. Warm neutrals also give you flexibility. You can refresh your decor over the years with new hardware, paint, or accessories without needing to replace the countertop itself. 4. Thin edges, chunky, waterfall profiles. In the past, ultra-thin countertops were seen as the height of modern minimalism. Slim slabs, sometimes just a few centimeters thick, gave kitchens a lightweight, floating effect. But as design trends shift in 2025, these skinny profiles are starting to look cheap and unfinished rather than sleek and sophisticated. Thin counters can lack the visual impact homeowners now crave, and they sometimes even warp or chip more easily over time. The fresh alternative. Today's luxury look is all about chunky edges and dramatic waterfall profiles. Countertops with thick, bold edges, whether squared off or softly rounded, bring a sense of solidity and high-end craftsmanship. Waterfall countertops, where the surface material flows seamlessly down the sides of an island or cabinet, create a striking architectural feature that instantly elevates a space. This design not only looks stunning but also provides extra protection for the cabinetry beneath. Whether in natural stone, quartz, or engineered materials, thicker countertops make a strong style statement, while signaling durability and permanence. It's a trend that feels modern but still timeless, giving your kitchen or bathroom a custom, high-end finish that won't feel dated anytime soon. 5. Single material kitchens, mixed countertop styles. For years, the one material kitchen reigned supreme. Designers and homeowners would choose a single countertop surface, like granite, marble, or quartz, and use it everywhere, on the perimeter counters, the island, and even the backsplash. While this created a sense of uniformity, it often made kitchens feel flat and uninspired, especially in open-concept homes where the counters cover large, uninterrupted areas. By 2025, this match-everything approach is starting to look overly safe and a bit boring. The fresh alternative. The new design trend celebrates mixing materials and finishes to create visual interest and define different work zones within the kitchen. Imagine a sleek quartz perimeter countertop paired with a warm butcher block island, or a matte concrete breakfast bar paired with a polished natural stone prep area. Combining materials isn't just about looks, it's also about functionality. For example, a butcher block island is perfect for food prep and adds natural warmth, while durable quartz along the perimeter can handle heavy cooking and cleaning without staining. Mixing surfaces also allows homeowners to play with textures and contrasts. Pairing a veined quartz with a honed marble can create subtle depth, while mixing matte and polished finishes adds layers of light and shadow. You can even extend this idea to the backsplash by using a complementary tile or stone to highlight specific areas like the stove or sink. This approach gives your kitchen a custom, designer feel that's both practical and visually engaging. It invites creativity, allowing you to showcase different materials you love without committing to one look throughout the entire space. The result is a kitchen that feels dynamic, warm, and tailored to your lifestyle, exactly the kind of personal touch that stands out in 2025's design world. And there you have it, 5 countertop trends officially on their way out and the fresh, future-proof styles taking their place. Busy granite patterns are giving way to calm veined quartz. High-gloss finishes are being replaced by soft, matte textures. Bold colors are stepping aside for warm neutrals, thin edges are outshined by chunky waterfall profiles, and single-material kitchens are evolving into stunning mixed-surface designs. The key takeaway? Timeless doesn't mean boring. By embracing natural textures, softer tones, and creative material combinations, you can design a kitchen or bathroom that feels inviting today and stays stylish for years to come. Before you start your remodel or countertop upgrade, take a step back and ask, will this surface still look beautiful and relevant 5 or 10 years from now? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Which of these new trends are you most excited to try in your own home? Share your favorite ideas in the comments, and let's talk about how you'll create a space that's not just on trend for 2025, but truly built to last.